Okay, so where are we starting? We're starting from this little cover. So you twist the cover off anti-clockwise, yeah? You just twist the cover, and then you've got something like this. Put the camera in there. Oh, there you go, beautiful. Firstly, you need to pull the plug off and place the plug out the way. So just wedge it somewhere inside the headlight. Don't push it too far, you don't want to damage anything. Oh, and then you pull this plug, this wire up gently, and that's it. Bulb is out. Then you put the new bulb in. Remember, this little piece of metal, this little plate, it goes in between the bottom two cutouts. Yeah, there, you see? Yeah. So once that's in, hold one finger, hold the bulb in, the other one just slide the little wire down until it locks. And that's it. Job done. Yeah, very simple. Then get the wire out, insert the wire, and then your cover. Remember, important not to get too much dust inside. Make sure it clicks in, and job done. Voila.